Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date October 28, 2013. Hey, want to remind you to check out hitthemarktrading.com, and when you're there, go to the contacts page and sign up for weekly blog updates. When you do this, I'll send you confirmation, just making sure you want to receive information from me. And then you'll have an opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Now, what is Rooster Call? Well, this is a morning email I send out to clients. It's basically looking at the charts pre-market, looking at the overnight action, looking at the wires, looking at what reports might come out, economic reports, and who's speaking, if anybody, from the Fed. We just kind of do a very, very brief synopsis just to prepare our trading day. Sometimes trades are called, but more often it's following up on stuff we've discussed in the nightly video, along with just any new developments that may have occurred overnight. All right, now, as we talk today, remember everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of currency future or option on currency or forex pairs. Great. Let's go to the daily intraday chart. 10 range bar chart for US dollar index. Now, when I spoke with you last night, Sunday evening, I mentioned we are in a sideward channel, so we had an expectation. If we go high, we're going to go to the top, right? Remember that? And boom, we did it. Okay, nothing special, quite honestly. And now we're faced with Tuesday, and it looks like US dollar wants to break higher. The problem is we're probably going to see more sideways action until we get Wednesday out of the way, the FOMC policy statement. Okay. Otherwise, we can certainly grind up higher. The next level is right here, 79.60. See that, don't you? All right. So the next level, if we surpass this 79.43 area, is a pop higher. Now, I've had that number 79,500 as the line in the sand. So let me just adjust this. 79,500. And it will be very interesting if price moves back above that level. There we go. Okay. Now, I'll show you what I'm talking about on the weekly chart, why this level is so important. So let me go to that now. Weekly chart. Okay, here we are, 79,500. Gosh, price loves it. Loves to touch it. Loves to be around it. Can't help it, right? So here we are. It is a major support area. Gosh, if we break down lower, we're going to free fall. Absolutely a free fall. Okay? So we're watching that. Now, if this is an event-led market for a US dollar index, it really is. So we're looking for that kick, that event action on Wednesday with FOMC statement. All right? We'll have time to talk about that further. All right, now let me go to the daily chart. Here's daily, and daily says, you know what? My channel line is holding. Of course, we expect that, don't we? We have a very sophisticated model here when we look at these channel lines. And what we deduce is that they will hold until they don't. How about that? Do not overcomplicate this business. So we're here at the bottom channel line. A move above 79,500 argues that we need to buy it. We need to buy it. Okay? All right. So I really don't expect much to happen between now and Wednesday. It's quiet. It's not just quiet in US dollar index. It's quiet in, well, I'll show you. Let's go to the euro. One moment. The last 3 days, quiet in the euro, right? Nothing special. Um, if I look at the British pound, nothing special, just kind of there, you know. An event moved it up and just kind of there, you know. Some call this a double top, some call this consolidation. Bottom line is nothing's going on. We're waiting for an event. If US dollar kicks higher, guess what? Pound drops. That's how it works. Let's go to the Canadian dollar. Okay, had an event out of Canada with an economic report helped drop this thing down. And another very, very quiet action today. Australian dollar also was down today. Let me find that. Okay. Australian dollar doing a very typical retrace. So what we're looking for in Australian dollar, come on down here to this level, this blue line here, and then get ready to pop higher. All right. But we're here to talk about US dollar index. So you got your marching orders. We said we'd go short if we trade below this line for an hour or so. We haven't done it yet. And now I'm saying we're going to go long if we break above 79,500. If nothing happens, then that tells me when the Wednesday FOMC statement is out, then it's going to be one of those big bar days. Okay, big bar days. So be prepared, intraday traders. Okay, that's it for tonight. I'll talk to you tomorrow.